Hello, beautiful people. By God's grace, I'm starting my first YouTube channel. It's the end of 2025, October 16th, and I'm here starting my channel with a little hope. Hi there, welcome to my channel. This is Mass Girl, and welcome to my channel, Mass Girl Lessons. Hello, beautiful people. Hi, this is Mask Girl. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video ever. I'm trying to be my best. This is my first time on camera. Welcome to my channel. It's the end of 2025 and I'm still standing strong after everything I've been through. With faith in my heart and hope in my mind, I'm finally starting this YouTube journey. Uh, as I said earlier, this is my first ever YouTube video. Please forgive me if I made any mistakes. And I have faced so many challenges, but God gave me the strength to rise again and start this channel and move forward with courage. This channel is especially for villagers like me who dream of speaking English confidently and making our parents proud. It's all about making our parents proud. By seeing them proud, we ourselves feel happy. So I want all of you to feel that happiness within you. Here we will learn English together, slowly, simply, and naturally. I'm starting this journey with hope, and I truly believe good things are on the way. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please support my channel. Your support means the world to me. Um, Thank you. Come on, guys, no more late. Let's learn English together. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel.